Okay, this is the main door of our home. So you can see the door is closed, but this is the security system. This is the sender with the PIR sensor, and this is the receiver. In the LoRa receiver, the display, you can see the update status. And this is the camera. This will capture the images if the PIR is detected high. So I asked my mom to go there and walk. So you can see she just passed the PIR and she got detected. So here you will see that captured and success. So I will just now take some pictures of her and see just captured again and picture taken again. So in here you can see in the FTP server that we have detected her once, and since I collected two pictures, there are two images, and I will ask her to walk again. So here just pressing the button again to capture image, and here she was captured again. So from the intro, you see that I made a security system. So in the security system, there is sender, receiver, server, and the camera. So here is the camera. You can see this is ESP32 cam, and this is the receiver connected with an OLED display, and this is the sender or the PIR sensor connected here, you can see. So this is one of the coolest IoT projects I have done. Here the range is huge, like 5 to 8 kilometers in urban areas, or in the open field the range will be around 20 kilometers by said by the manufacturers. So here if you keep the sender like the PIR sensor in your home and you go to office in the other side of your city, then you will be able to have the detection. So it's cool, right? So let's dive into the project, how it was built, and thanks to React Technology to send us this LoRa RYLR998 module to us. So let's dive into the video. So let's dive into the components breakdown. So here you can see the ESP32 cam connected with the LiPo battery and the switch. So this is the camera, and here this is the receiver connected with the buzzer, the LoRa module, the OLED, and the ESP32. The wiring is given in the GitHub, and I have also linked down the website, so you just visit there and have the complete wiring if you want to make this project. In the sender, you will see the PIR sensor, the LoRa module, the ESP32, and connected with the battery and a switch. So turn on the switch, the system turns on, and there is the receiver just connected with the USB. You just connect this with the USB and the complete system works. So and then we will need a server for the images to store. So we have used our local server, our PC storage for the server, and we have used a Python script to run this server. So first of all, we need to turn the server on using the Python script. So let's dive into our PC. So this is the complete folder you will have in the GitHub if you just pull this from the GitHub repository. So here you will see the FTP server. In the server, this is the Python file to turn the server on. And I have already this server turned on. Just kill the terminal and turn this on again. Run the Python code. So here you can see the server is just turned on, and the other files, the sender, receiver, and ESP32 cam files, you will find in the SRC. There is the camera.cpp, receiver.cpp, and sender.cpp. So in these three files, you will find the respective code for the microcontrollers. So server on, and let's have a demo how this thing is working. So let's have a demo of how this thing is working perfectly or not in our table, and then we are going to place this in the front door of my home. So let's just test here. So have this connected with the USB, the receiver. Here you can see the LoRa connecting and configuring. This has started working, and just turn the switch on of this sender. So you can see that they're connected and already detected my hand. So here just I am turning on this ESP32 cam. So let's start turning it on and placing it at the front here. So let's see what happens when I just go in the front of this PIR sensor. It just detected me. And also just checking the ESP32 cam is working or not, pressing the push button. So press it. Yeah, you can see it has just captured me. So right now just check if the camera has captured the image and also sent to the FTP server or not. So this is the folder where we are saving our images. So here you can see the image where the picture has been stored in the folder. So yep, the image is captured perfectly. So that's how the project is working completely fine. And obviously thanks to LoRa module and the React technology for sending this to us. I will link down all the buying links of these components in the description. So I think you like the security system made with LoRa and ESP32 and PIR sensor. So there are huge opportunity of upgrading this system. Like first of all, we can use when the motion is detected, automatically just select the image and just send to the FTP server. So this is like quite convenient. So you can upgrade this by your choice. Just let me know in the comment section. And obviously thank you very much for watching and subscribe to this channel.